Welcome to our comparison of the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU Fort Portable Washer and the BLACK+DECKER BCED 26 Compact Dryer. In this video, we'll dive into the specifications, pros and cons, and customer feedback for both products. We'll help you understand which appliance might be the best fit for your home, especially if you're dealing with limited space. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER Portable Washer has a capacity of 6.6 pounds, making it suitable for small loads, while the BLACK+DECKER Compact Dryer can handle up to 8.8 pounds. This difference means that the dryer can accommodate larger loads, which is essential for drying clothes efficiently. If you're washing a full load, you'll want a dryer that can handle that size to avoid multiple drying cycles. Both appliances offer versatility with multiple settings. The washer features 5 wash cycles including heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, allowing you to choose the best option for your laundry. On the other hand, the dryer also has 5 drying modes: air dry, cool, eco, warm, and hot, which cater to different fabric types and drying needs. This functionality ensures that you can effectively clean and dry your clothes without damage. In terms of design, the BLACK+DECKER Portable Washer is a compact top loader, which is great for small spaces and easy to access. The transparent lid allows you to monitor the washing process. Conversely, the BLACK+DECKER Compact Dryer is a front loader, which not only looks sleek but also saves space. Both appliances feature a modern aesthetic with stainless steel drums, making them a stylish addition to any laundry area. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER Portable Washer and the Compact Dryer are excellent choices for anyone with limited space. The washer's compact design and multiple wash cycles make it ideal for small households, while the dryer complements it with its larger capacity and efficient drying modes. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific laundry needs. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.